stop playing with him.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay Da Vinci. Today's video is a super exciting makeup tutorial slash review. I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using vegan and cruelty-free brushes. I've been searching the internet for like some affordable brushes. I found them. I know a lot of you guys are gonna love this video. Share with a friend if your friend's vegan, she loves cruelty-free, he loves cruelty-free, whatever. Let's get this video to 200 likes. I was aiming low. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes because I know 1,000 people out there looking for affordable brushes. Hope you guys like this video and let's start. Today I'm here with full face using BH Cosmetics brushes. No, this video is not sponsored. Bought all these brushes with my own money because the dogs are barking, the airplanes are flying, everything is happening. I bought these brushes because I wanted to try them out. I was looking for some new brushes, some affordable brushes. I don't know, I don't think the more expensive the brush, the better it is. I think they're all the same. I'm super excited to try them. What's that? Oh shit, can you open? It says it's a twist off, but it's like a Hulk twist off. So I'm currently drinking a Smirnoff Ice Original Natural Lemon Lime flavor. Oh my god. Quick little story time. I remember, Jesus. I remember being like 13 or 14 and I was like asking my stepdad, can I have some of that? He would have these, you know, and be drinking it and I'll be like, can I have some of that? And he'll be like, no. When you turn 21, then I turned 21 and he would make the best drinks as if he was some type of bartender or something. Like, what the hell? And I was like, can I have one of those? I'm 21. He was not fucking with me, didn't give me one. My mom took me to Crustations and I had my first martini, you know, legally. But whatever the case was, he finally made me a drink and I'm 25. But it's fire. Like, the drinks are so bomb. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna jump right into it. I've already started off with my brows. I didn't conceal them because I wanted to show you guys the brush I was going to use to conceal them with. And I'm going to show you guys the brush that I typically use to conceal my brows with or do my concealer. I normally use the Morphe M224 brush, but I am using the BH Cosmetics V16 brush and I actually like it. It's a bit shorter and more precise than the Morphe brush, so this brush is actually pretty good. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys this too, because I picked up BH Cosmetics liquid foundation and their concealer. So I'm gonna do a review on them, but not in this video. So subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going in with the BH Cosmetic M418 brush. I hope you guys can see it, I'm in focus, but it's really firm, you know? Like, you're not looking for a concealer brush that flaps all over the place because you're trying to snatch your brows. So. I wish If I Was a Rich Girl was playing right now by Gwen Stefani. You think I had Alexa in this bitch, huh? This brush is good, you know? It's not even good like that. It's like great, you know? Like this brush is good. Okay, boom fada. This brush right here, look at those brows. So we're gonna go in with some primer, and for today's primer, I'm gonna use my Origins Foaming Cooling Water, only because I like it, it's so cold. Woo! I first need to like wipe off my brush because I use this one, and this is the, what? It wiped off? It wiped off and I only used it once. This is the V12 brush. Flat brush, perfect for foundation. And what's good about it is they tell you what the brushes are perfect for. It's a vegan flat top buffer brush. Achieve an airbrushed complexion with our vegan flat top buffer brush. The densely packed bristles smooth away imperfections and build an even coverage. Whether you prefer to swirl on powder or apply liquids and creams, products glide on effortlessly. Let's try to just put it directly on the brush because I never do this. I just normally put it on. Whoa, so for one, let me shut up because I know you guys see that this brush is soft, but it's firm, you know? It's not flopping all over the place. Like I explained to you, that was my synonym. So if you guys are looking for affordable brushes, BH Cosmetics new vegan brushes, pretty good. And if I was like if I was packing the foundation on my face like that, it would give me a more fuller coverage. And I'm really here for convenience. But like if you like the art of using a brush here. This is really good. Ooh, my skin definitely looks airbrushed. Forgot about her. This right here is already a vibe. Like, we could just be like, we're done. But yeah, I know for a fact that all these brushes didn't cost me no more than $34. Literally, this whole package with the foundation, concealer, and all these brushes, it was a total of $34. So, show you guys what's gonna happen next. We're gonna do our eye makeup because I really want to try out these brushes. This is a vegan brush. It's the V19. It says vegan large blending brush. Whoa, it's a super large blending brush. Okay, so this feels nice. There's nothing on the brush, but this feels nice for my crease. Brush V17. This is the vegan setting brush. Hold the phone. Setting for what? So I'm gonna be able to set my under eye. Oh my gosh, these brushes are amazing. Okay. This is the V15 vegan round crease brush. I don't know if it's just me, but I like to put them on my eye first with nothing on them so I can know what I would want to do. So this would, ooh, okay. I forgot about the Studio Pro brushes. Okay, I might just open them all up. They could be out of the boxes. Okay, so this is the vegan brush V12, the vegan precise blending brush. Okay, these are all the brushes that I was missing in my life. Ooh, vegan brush V16 vegan smudger brush. Smudge. Oh, you know what that's what it was. I think I was buying like sets because their sets were dummy cheap. Tapered highlight, bitch. Is this for my highlight? Oh, fan brush. I was forgetting to read them to y'all. I'm so sorry. Achieve a soft diffused look with our vegan large blending brush. Buff and blend cream or powder pigment on lids, crease, and beneath the brush. Really? I'm gonna use my Kat Von D palette, the Shade and Light eye palette. I'm gonna use the color Latest, but I'm gonna go in with this. Oh, this is nice. So I'm gonna first go in with this light shade. Definitely soft, blending out the color. So I'm just going back and forth. So far, so good. You know, I was really looking for affordable brushes, and then I was like, oh shit, BH Cosmetics is a great makeup brand for all levels of makeup. Beginners, you know, you can even find some studio. They have a whole studio set. I wish I was sponsored. I sound like I'm sponsored, but I'm not. I just like it. After that, I want to use another brush. So I'm just trying to like see my options right now. I could use this little V20 brush for the sake of it, but this isn't for what I would use it for. And then I'm blending it up. We're gonna go back in with our BH Cosmetics V18 brush. My mirror is just off to the side. Chin, Cupid's bow. So yeah, this brush reminds me of my Morphe brush. My Morphe brush is just a little bigger, like longer, so that's really it, but this definitely does the job. And we're just gonna blend this down. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna blend this out with. Let's try to first blend it with our foundation brush just to see what happens. Oh, we had a setting brush, huh? We're gonna set it with this because this says that this is supposed to set our under eyes. So we're gonna see what it does with the air spun powder. So this is blending out my under eyes. My, you know, concealer, it's definitely blending it out smoothly. Because y'all would normally use a beauty blender. I mean, it's working. And it was supposed to leave an airbrush, so I mean, let's try it. I could make miracles happen every Thanksgiving. So, but I still haven't even showed y'all what I like to snatch my nose with. It's just the perfect nose snatcher. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna need to just blend it out some more on my better blender. I don't know, this just, you know, extra blends us together. All right, so with my purchase, I got a free Sculpt and Blend mini 1-3-piece brush set. Oh, and you guys, freaking, and I mean freaking love this little kit. So cool. Oh, and this is what I was using to set my under eyes. You see the brush? It was perfect, but I found another brush setter, under eye setter over her. So this one should be better. But I've been using this mini one right here to do the nose highlight, just to kind of keep it straight. I've been loving to use this flat brush on the side of my nose. So I just use my cream, NARS Hazelnut, kind of just dab some off so it's just not too, you know, what do you call it, harsh. I'll just take it and drag it down because it's already angled and it's like perfect. It's like the perfect nose snatcher. But to set under eyes, I'm gonna use this V16 brush. My first impression is wow. Yeah, it's cool. I could add this into my everyday routine. This because you know, I know you know sometimes when you set your face, let's say with your beauty blender and you wipe it off, it's kind of cakey. You could easily overspray your face with some setting spray, you know, to help even everything out and make you look less cakey. But this brush, I mean, I think you can see for yourself that it's cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my big old fluffy brush. This is the Cosmetics V16 brush, and I'm gonna powder my whole face. You can either swirl it on or pat it on. It both feels good. My makeup is not moving around. Let's try to use this for a contour, because I've been seeing Nikki tutorials use it. This is my B14 brush. Should be used for highlight. She's been using it to contour. This doesn't look bad, but I mean, it doesn't give me the sculpted cheek that I'm going for, you know? We need some cheeks. We need something for our cheeks. I guess I'm gonna go in with the one for my highlight. Maybe I should just do the highlight first. I'm gonna go with my trophy wipe first. It's cool. Uh-oh. That shit said goodbye. Game over. This highlighting brush definitely works. Let's go on with our blush. We're gonna use the same brush we used. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Smudger brush. I'm definitely just gonna go back on BH Cosmetics and pretty much get all the brushes that I need. Yeah, but this is not really like diffusing my blush out how I normally like. Oh, this is a BH Cosmetic brush too. This is their number 6 brush. This is the brush that I normally use to put on blush. Now I'm going to overspray my face with this Badescu facial rose water spray. I know y'all saw how much I sprayed on my face, but if you ever feel like your foundation's cakey, your makeup looks cakey, your face is dry, overspray your face. So I hope you guys love this makeup video. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. I will be trying out BH Cosmetics foundation and their concealer. So yeah, I'm just so excited. I just love affordable. I love affordable. I got a wedding to pay for. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions. I'm designing to